How to fix YouTube playback speed unavailable problem. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device, and as a check on the connection, launch the Play Store application on your Android device. Now tap on the search bar and simply search for YouTube at the top of the screen. As a search for YouTube, you can see there's no option of update, which means we have the latest version of YouTube application. So now you can simply go back and make a long press on YouTube, then tap on App Info. As you tap on App Info, you can see the option of Clear Data at the bottom right corner of the screen. So select on Clear Data and then clear the cache and tap on OK. Now you can relaunch YouTube application and you might just check if we have the playback speed availability or not. So let's go to YouTube and you can simply search for any of the videos over here. So let me just search for any video. And what you need to do is simply tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. And here you can see the playback speed. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.